Beautiful ways to use arches in home interiors. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring one of the most timeless and elegant design elements in home interiors, arches. Whether it's a doorway, a window, or a wall niche, arches can instantly add charm, softness, and luxury to your space. So let's see how to use arches in your house interior the right way. Arched doorways. Replace sharp rectangular openings with soft arches. They create smooth transitions between spaces, perfect for hallways, living rooms, or entrances. Arched windows. They bring in more natural light and instantly make rooms feel taller and brighter. Slim black or bronze frames give a stylish modern touch. Arched wall niches. These are great for adding depth to plain walls. Use them to display art, plants, or add LED lighting for a cozy vibe. Arched decor elements. Don't want structural changes? Go for arched mirrors, headboards, or furniture, subtle and elegant. So whether your home is modern or traditional, adding arches can transform it with a graceful and timeless look. If you like these ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design inspiration. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.